concrete house design perched on a forest hill slope with Pacific Ocean views. Introduction: an architectural wonder blending concrete with nature. Welcome to Decor Essence, where we bring you the latest in architectural design and home interior inspiration. In today's video, we're diving deep into a remarkable concrete house perched on a forest hill slope with panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. This house is not just a home, it's a living testament to how modern architecture can harmonize with nature. Designed with sustainability in mind, this home utilizes the raw beauty of concrete to create an elegant, durable, and functional space. Join us as we explore how this innovative design takes full advantage of its natural surroundings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting architectural journeys. Strategic location, harnessing the power of the landscape. The first thing that stands out about this home is its remarkable location. Set on a hillside, this house seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape. The slope of the hill allows the design to take full advantage of the topography, creating a tiered structure that offers stunning views of the Pacific Ocean from multiple levels. By working with the natural terrain, rather than altering it, the house appears to grow organically from the hillside, as though it was always meant to be there. The positioning of the house ensures that every level offers a different perspective, whether it's Concrete as a material: strength, durability, and aesthetic value. Concrete is the material that defines this house, and it's chosen for its ability to stand the test of time while also contributing to the overall aesthetic of the design. Often seen as cold or industrial, concrete in this context is transformed into something warm, organic, and beautifully raw. The thick concrete walls provide structural integrity, ensuring that the house can withstand the harsh elements of the coastal environment: strong winds, salty air, and intense rainfall. The material also acts maximizing ocean views: the role of large glass windows. One of the most striking features of this home is its extensive use of glass. Floor-to-ceiling windows, strategically placed throughout the house, offer uninterrupted views of the Pacific Ocean. These large windows not only provide natural light but also create a visual connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The use of glass enables the house to open up to its surroundings, making the residents feel as though they are constantly connected to the natural beauty outside. The living room, positioned on the upper level of the house, offers breathtaking seamless indoor-outdoor living, connecting with the environment. This home blurs the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. Large sliding glass doors open onto spacious terraces and decks, allowing residents to enjoy the outdoors at any time of day. The layout encourages an effortless flow from the living areas to the outdoor spaces, where they can enjoy the ocean breeze, the sound of the waves, and the tranquility of the surrounding forest. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee on the terrace in the morning or hosting an evening dinner party with the ocean as a backdrop, the outdoor areas become an extension of the home itself. Multi-level design, capitalizing on the slope of the land. Instead of fighting the natural slope of the hill, the architect embraced it. The house is designed with multiple levels, which follow the contour of the land, creating a dynamic living experience. The uppermost level houses the main living areas, including the kitchen, dining room, and living room, all positioned to take advantage of the expansive ocean views. The middle levels contain private spaces, such as bedrooms and bathrooms, while the lower levels are more practical, housing utility rooms, storage, and the garage. This multi-level Sustainable design, eco-friendly features integrated throughout. Sustainability is a key consideration in this home's design, with a focus on reducing its environmental footprint while maintaining a luxurious living experience. The house is equipped with solar panels on the roof, providing renewable energy to power the home and reduce reliance on external sources of energy. Rainwater harvesting systems have been installed to collect and store rainwater, which can be used for irrigation and other non-potable uses. The concrete walls of the house act as natural insulation, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Additionally, the interior design, minimalism meets comfort and functionality. The interior design of this house reflects the minimalist architectural style, with a focus on comfort and functionality. The open-plan layout creates a sense of space, with seamless transitions from one area to another. The use of neutral colors, clean lines, and high-quality materials, such as polished concrete, wood, and stone, ensures that the interior feels both luxurious and inviting. The design embraces simplicity, allowing the natural beauty of the materials Outdoor living spaces, extending the living area. The outdoor spaces of this home are just as thoughtfully designed as the interiors. Multiple terraces, patios, and decks create a variety of outdoor living areas where residents can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the stunning natural surroundings. One of the standout features is the infinity pool, which appears to blend seamlessly into the ocean, creating the illusion that the pool extends all the way to the horizon. The landscaping around the house is designed to integrate with the natural environment, with carefully selected plants and trees that enhance. Conclusion: a harmonious blend of design and nature. In conclusion, this concrete house perched on a forest hill slope with Pacific Ocean views is a stunning example of how modern architecture can harmonize with nature. Through the use of durable materials, a multi-level design, and an emphasis on sustainable living, the home creates a beautiful and functional living space that connects seamlessly with its environment. Every element, from the choice of concrete to the strategic placement of windows and outdoor spaces, works in harmony to create a home that feels both luxurious and grounded in nature. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more innovative architecture and design,